I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, it's me again. So I kind of like cut the video into two because I will be going at Trader Joe's. There's one near here. It's only like literally just 7 minutes away, so might as well just do little grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, and I'll take you guys with me. So I have like a Trader Joe's like grocery shop vlogmas, so because I'm worried that I don't have enough vlog for you guys, so I'm like, I kind of like cut it off. But anyways, let's just go because it's already late. It's 5:02 and I don't want to be how do you call this, I don't want to be late because I still have to upload the vlogmas that I need to upload. So anyways, let's just go so I can do grocery shopping, plus I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm at Trader Joe's already.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, I'm at Mom's organic store.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, so I'm finally back home from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna do a haul, and I also stopped by at Mom's organic market. I want to show you guys real quick. I just stopped there because I purchased more coffee. This is the I think this is the Colombia and the Boyfriend blend. So you guys saw that on the previous clip. It's like a organic store where I like close to where I live. And you guys, I freaking love their coffee, like especially the Boyfriend blend, which is this one right here. It smells good. So I have like half, I think like half a pound. So I have like half a pound on each, and I want to try the Colombia one because I haven't like tried this coffee, but I'm gonna try that. It's light roast, so hopefully it tastes good. So anyways, we got some groceries from Trader Joe's. So first things first is I picked up this eucalyptus. I'm gonna hang this on our shower. I believe this is $3.99, this eucalyptus. You guys, it smells amazing. The next one is this seasoned kale chips. So since my husband likes chips, and especially kale, he really likes kale, I picked this up so he can try it. My husband loves kale, and I picked this up because I want him to try it. But if he likes it, then I'll probably buy him more. But I picked this up for him because it reminds me of him because he likes kale. So hopefully that tastes good though. The next one here, we got some sweet chili sauce. Oh my god, you guys, I love sweet chili sauce. Okay, my camera is not focusing on it. I love sweet chili sauce, especially if I'm making lumpia, fried lumpia. Oh my goodness. And then you put this to dip. Oh, amazing. So I might make some lumpia next week though, so I can use the sweet chili sauce. Amazing. Next one, we got some, oh yeah, I want to try this Hawaiian rolls. right here. This is the sweet pull apart aloha rolls. This reminds me of the Hawaiian rolls. You know what I'm saying, right? Like the Hawaiian rolls. This reminds me of that, and hopefully it tastes the same, or hopefully this tastes better. But yeah, I can't wait to try that tomorrow for breakfast. And also, I was surprised they have this because, you guys, if you know me, I love mangoes. And in the Philippines, my dad used to work in this company where they sell dried mangoes. This is soft and juicy mango. I'm gonna bring this to work with me tomorrow so I can try it. Next, we got some pink salt crystal. My husband wants he's been wanting like the pink Himalayan salt, so I got this instead. Hopefully, I don't know, have you guys tried the Himalayan salt? A lot of people recommend the pink Himalayan salt. They said it's much better than the regular salt. Let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, I just picked this up. And all right, next one, we got some coconut milk. I'll be making some, how do you call this, some mussels with coconut milk this week. Actually, yeah, this week I'm gonna be making some food like mussels, and then I'll put this coconut milk. Delicious as well. All right, so next we got some truffle baking mix right here. Since I already tasted the banana bread, which is absolutely amazing, and some of you guys commented, there's one comment that says I should mix like the banana, like the ripe banana next time. Normally I do that, like made it scratch, like I would like use just banana and you know, make a banana bread. But at the time when I was baking the banana bread, I didn't have any like ripe bananas, that's why I didn't add any. But anyways, this is a truffle baking mix brownie. So for this brownie, I'm gonna put more chocolate, because who doesn't love chocolate? So I got more chocolate chunks right there. And then last but not the least is this banana bread. This is vegan banana bread with walnuts. I can smell it already, and I'm also gonna bring this to work with me tomorrow so I can, you know, taste it. Hopefully it tastes good. Anyway guys, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and also like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog. Bye.
Roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So